Get back! One at gunpoint. Get on the fucking ground! Shots fired, shots fired.
Fort Worth 911, what's the address of your emergency?
I have my abusive ex-boyfriend trying to break in. I know who he is. I don't know what I can do for you guys to take down his information. And he's just been doing this. He's harassing me at this point.
What is his name?
Andrew Ponce.
And is he white, black, Hispanic, or Asian?
He's Hispanic.
And where is he trying to break in through?
At my front door. He's already broken in here about 2 nights before. Oh my god. He's probably want to kill me.
We have that call sent up. An officer will be out there shortly. If any changes,
oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
What's going on?
Oh, no.
What's going on?
Oh my god, he's in the front door, he's in the front door, he's in the front door. I can't do this. Oh, hell no, bro. Like, you better...
Knife! Drop the fucking knife! Drop the knife! Get back! One at gunpoint. Get on the fucking ground! Shots fired, shots fired. Suspect is down. Get on your stomach! Get on your stomach now!
Your incident has been updated. Your incident has been updated.
We need your hands on. He has like 3 knives on him, okay? Yeah, it's in my car. Alright. Start cutting his shirt off, start cutting his shirt off.
You got mist on the rim.
Hey, start putting some caution tape up.
You got one on the top left.
Top left.
One on his arm.